to get a little cooler. I'm interested in that weather.
Me too. It's like,
I'm interested in some cool weather.
When?
Yes.
Absolutely. I am tired of this heat. At least it's not the summertime heat in January.
True.
But it is still record-setting heat likely. We're going to see a near record high the next 2 days in a row before that cold front gets here. And in the meantime, we're also going to be quite windy. Here's a look at our current wind speeds, anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles per hour, give or take a little bit in each location. Our wind gusts, we have two little pockets of stronger wind gusts, about 20 to 25 miles per hour, but this is going to ramp up as we head into later today, especially the first part of the day. Our wind gusts are expected to be between 35 to 40 miles per hour in the first part of the day, and then closer to the 30 mile per hour mark as we head into this afternoon. So it's going to be breezy today. Those winds are really going to pick up, so keep that in mind maybe as you're doing your hair this morning. Heading into the rest of today, we're going to keep a lot of this cloud cover that's currently with us. We're starting off right around 70 degrees, so it is warmer than yesterday morning by about 10 degrees, but it still feels pretty nice outside. Heading into today, as I mentioned, a lot of that cloud cover sticking with us, but some pops of sunshine will be mixed in there. 86 is where we top out, and that is our record high for today's date. 86 set back in 1953. So we're challenging a pretty old record, 73 years. Now heading into tonight, we're going to have very similar temperatures. The clouds stay with us, but I do think we're going to see some of that fog coming back because our winds are going to be a little bit calmer than they were this past overnight. On top of that, we're also going to start to sprinkle in a stray shower chance, and that low rain chance is going to stick with us through the rest of the forecast for the most part. Heading into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures a little cooler, but again, challenging another record high temperature. We get to 84. The record high is 85 for Friday. Our next cold front comes in heading into Saturday. The timing on this has been a little difficult, but it's generally been staying from late Friday into early Saturday. So that's where we're still thinking. Behind this front, cooler air comes in, and in front of that, we currently have warmer air right now, and that warmer air will rise over top that dome, if you will, of cooler air. And when that happens, we get really cloudy conditions and just drizzly, dreary weather. That's going to last through this weekend and really into early next week as well. This is why we're going to keep some low rain chances in the forecast. Even though we don't really have any fronts or anything around, that's why we're going to be seeing those low rain chances as we head into this coming week. And the clouds and rain in turn keep our temperatures in the 60s as we head into next Monday and Tuesday. Today, 80s across the coastal bend, though a stray 90-degree reading is possible. Again, it's going to be quite gusty at times. Winds do relax tomorrow a little bit, but into Saturday behind that front, we're breezy again, and with lower humidity levels, we'll be on the lookout for fire danger as well. Barbie.
Thank you.